Good morning to all of you. Myself is Arun Kumar Singh. Today I want to share my view about the benefit of COVID-19. We know it very well. COVID-19 has reached us a great damage. It has made a great damage in entire world. India has also much more affected with the COVID-19. A numbers of casualty occurred even in India also. But if we look the other side of COVID-19, we think we also got the loads of advantage from the COVID-19. First, an important advantage what we got from the COVID-19 is that we all know how to work with online. We know how to operate the mobile, laptop and other information technology equipments like this. People even living in rural areas, village side, also know it very well how to supply their needs, their work through online system. So all of us now become very aware about the online system. Even in critical hours also, we cannot suffer due to the general problem, routine work, because if all communication will be stopped, even then we can supply our needs, fulfill our work through online. Government made a lockdown for many months, for a long time. So people got a lots of time to live with their family or at their home. So they also got a lots of time to fulfill their all the pending works. They also got a lots of time to share their views to their families, to meet with their other members of the family. They also got time to go to village and some other places at where they were not going for a long time. The people who are studying at a school, college age or some other institution, they also got a lots of time to complete their syllabus or to come in contact with the different teacher living at different places, either in India or in abroad. So they got a good opportunity to get their experiences which they were not getting before lockdown or COVID-19. So this is also a great advantage for the student who got chance to do these things. The next benefit which we got from the COVID-19 is that we formed a lots of good habit, like properly wash our hands and sanitize our hands at regular interval to keep us neat and clean, to keep our environment also neat and clean. Habit of wearing mask, gloves and other things which require to protect the viruses which are invisible or traveling in air, as well as there is a chance to transmit the virus from the infected person. Next important things about this, now we become aware of all the different kinds of viruses which are present in our atmosphere, in our surrounding, and also which may come in our futures, because we formed the good habits to protect ourselves from that kinds of the viruses. The other important things which we got benefit from the COVID-19 is that the people who lost their life either in India or in other countries, nearly 60%, 40% to 60% of them were suffering from some kinds of diseases already. They were taking medicine for the diseases with which they were suffering now before the COVID-19. These diseases may be heart stroke, kidney failures, lungs infection, asthma, brain hemorrhage, arthritis problem related to blood, veins, and many more like this. They were suffering before the COVID-19, and their other family member were spending hard-earned money over these types of the patient. And doctor has also declared there is no chance of survival of them. Take medicine as long as they survive on this earth. So, due to the COVID-19, it is also a message of sorrow, misery, because no one of us want to lose any family member, but it was compellness because the disease with which they were suffering was incurable. That disease cannot be cured, and the money which was spending over them was uselessly, unnecessarily, because other family of the patient were also knowing that what they were spending over them is going uselessly. So COVID-19 has saved a lots of amount which was spending uselessly on these types of the people. So COVID-19 also given us a lots of benefit, and the things which was most needful for all of us to survive a happy, healthy, and prosperous life we got from the COVID-19. We most among us we are not having the time to do yoga, meditation, physical exercise, working in garden, working in field, because they were not having time. They made their life as a currency note printing machine. They were not caring their body, their life. But due to the COVID-19, we got a lots of time to do the works like the yoga, meditation, spending some time in garden, in field, and sitting before the God to improve the immunity. So most among us now came to know the value of immunity, and this immunity help us in saving ourselves from all other kinds of the viruses which are present or which will come in future. Nowadays, the another kind of viruses are also working among us, whose name is black fungus. But that black fungus will not harm us more because we are alert about all the different kinds of viruses due to their good habit. So we are not much more worried about black fungus or other viruses like this. This happened because of COVID-19. So most among us came to know a lots of process, lots of habit, lots of sources through which we along with our family can be saved from a lots of the different kinds of the viruses, different kinds of infection, not present but also in future. So I think in respect to damages what we received from the COVID-19, benefits, number of benefits are more. I think if you like this video, try to collect some good information from it, and also subscribe it by pressing the bell button and also send me the comment along with the topics about which you want to know something more. I shall try my best to add all the topics selected by you in my next video, and that video will reach you first. Thank you.